Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's open first the settings app and then tap to connection section. To activate Wi-Fi option, we should click to this switcher. Then just tap to the section and you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click to this eye icon. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to the network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, click to Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. To launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and by this way, after that select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.